Time for more monkey business on the middle of Ocoee.
It's rubbish. All right, give me one. All right, make sure you smile, and there's photographs going to be taken of you momentarily. Like right now. And as we go over the ledge, say, hello, girl. Oh, I fell down. That's silly. Oh no! That was silly. I twirled it for some silly reason. Lean forward! Oh, pearl opposite way that time. Hey, at least it's fair. Alright, this is broken nose proper. You might get a photo here, so if you make silly faces, do it on purpose. Yes, you will. I see our photographer. Give me two. Hey, hold on, don't fall out. I love that place to park too. I hope I don't bump you too much though. I'm getting out of here. Looks like a lot of safety. Give me two, go, go, go. I don't want to push this boat out. Sorry, I'm just trying to make sure you don't come out. Give me two more. He's just doing a favor for everybody while he sets safety and warns you not to go there because it's a rock. Good place to park on purpose. Give me one. Let's see if how much horsepower I got. Ooh, I got a lot. All right, second helping is coming up. You see a little green line maybe. Give me two. You're going to see a ledge in a moment. I use this feature to avoid a few other rocks downstream. All right, get ready, folks. Don't fall out. This is called Dragon Slayer. There's also a kayak rock rail slide to our right of that line we just ran. Get down. Put your paddles up. I'm not going to surf you, but I'm trying to get you a spin. Whoa, whiplash for the guy. Give me two more. Get down, get down. Paddles up, paddles up, paddles up. Give me one more. Get down, lock in. this is coming up. This coming up is called Double Trouble, like I mentioned earlier. And it's a photo op, so make sure you're smiling or making silly faces. Feel free to wave, whatever. You're going to be done with your stunts momentarily. Give me 2 good, strong ones. Alright, break out those smiles or silly faces. Whatever you want, it's your trip. After we go around this bend a little ways, if you look up toward the top of the mountain, you'll see a big owl face that's made of stone. Surprise coming up, don't fall out anybody. Give me 2. Brace yourselves, might be bumpy. Oh, that was a good line. No surprise there. Just don't tumble out here. Give me 2. Give me 2 more, we're going to get a big hit here, so just be ready. Uh-oh, I'm going over guide yet. I hope it's time to today. Oh, get down, get down, get down, get down. Get down, we're hitting it hard. Good job, team. It's gonna get bumpy right here. Hold on, don't fall out. 1 forward. This is diamond footer, of course. And that cool, refreshing splash is called Witch's Hole. Ready, set, go. Okay, brace yourself. No, we missed it. Oh. All right, this hellhole. Oh yeah, it's his powerhouse. Oh, that caught me off guard. Thank you so much for coming paddling the wonderful middle of Ocoee with me, and thank you a whole lot for requesting me. I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And y'all can, well, someone will instruct you what to do. I don't know what they're going to do, but you might be able to find a place near the tree to watch the show while we load the boat. Sometimes that can be entertaining. Oh, thank you, brother. You're very kind. I love wet money, by the way. Thank you.